Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syazwan Saifuddin bin Salluddin from Beei Section 2 underscore 1. Uh, Today I am a moderator for today's topic, which is Malaysia energy transition towards achieving net zero by 2050. Okay, first of all, I will introduce our panel. Firstly, Sir Muhammad Amir ZARIF bin Abu Hanifah Lim, Encik QAYYIM bin IZZUDDIN, and lastly, our panel is Encik Muhammad ADHAM bin FENDI. Okay, so first thing I will introduce a little bit about our topic, which is what is climate change. So climate change is refer to long-term shift in temperature and weather patterns. So actually, a climate change was a major threat to our food security, and this climate change happen is due to rising concentration of greenhouse trapped in the atmosphere and causing a planet to warm. So the first thing that causing a climate change is linked to a rising concentration of greenhouse gas such as carbon dioxide and hydrofluorocarbon in the atmosphere, which insulted the planet and caused it to warm. Warmer temperature over time are changing with the pattern and disturbing the usual balance of nature. And a global greenhouse gas emission by economic sector, uh, which is electricity and heat production, is causing by 25%. Building 6%, forestry, agriculture, and other land use is 24%. Uh, and the transportation is 14%, industry is 21%, and the other energy is 10%. So without wasting any time, uh, I will hand off next introduction to or next presentation to Mr. Amir Zarif. So yes, Mr. Amir Zarif, you can continue your presentation.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is AMIR bin Abu Hanifah. I will talk about building climate resilience. There are two, which is mitigation and adaptation. Mitigation action to reduce emission that cause climate change, such as sustainable transportation, clean energy, and energy efficiency. Adaptation action to manage the risk of climate change impact, which is disaster management and business continuity, flood protection, and infrastructure upgrade. Regarding to Ramizi Ramli, Malaysia Energy Transition Blueprint to be finalized in 3 months. Energy transition refers to the global energy sector shift from fossil-based system of energy production and consumption, including oil, natural gas, coal, to renewable energy sources like wind and solar, as well as lithium-ion batteries. TNB has investing 21 billion ringgit in energy plan, and TNB energy transition and net zero target by 2050, which is various initiatives have been rolled out as a commitment to achieve Malaysia net zero target by 2050 and creating a sustainable future. The TNB Sustainable Pathway 2050 start from 2016, which is energy transition journey starts by 2025, renewable energy target of 8,300 megawatt with accelerated renewable investment. By 2035, energy intensity reduced by 35%, coal capacity reduced by 50%. And at the end, 2050, aspire to achieve net zero emission. Okay, that's all for me.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Amir. So, next, um, maybe the Adham has something to explore more about our topic today. So, uh, Sir Adham.
Okay, thank you for Mr. Syazwan for inviting me to talk in this. Okay, my name is Muhammad ADHAM FENDI, and I will talk about the Malaysia Renewable Energy Roadmap. It means my RER. My RER is developed to strike a balance between the environmental targets and policies. Secondly, system security, delivering reliable green power to all, and lastly, affordability and economic benefit. Next, for my areas to those four energy pillars. First, it is solar power. Second, it is hydropower. Thirdly, it is bioenergy. And lastly, new solutions and resources. The framework is supported by four initiatives. Firstly is liberalizing electricity market, reform for renewable energy opportunities. Next, improve access to financing. Then shape human capital and infrastructure. And lastly, it increase system flexibility. Okay, and for the okay, sorry. Uh, let me continue for the next. My my RER trajectory. Firstly, it's to achieve Malaysia net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2050, and then to contribute to the country Paris Agreement commitment. Next, investment at RM 20 billion for the years 2025 and RM 33 billion by 2035. And lastly, it's up to 46,636 job creations directly and indirectly in the RE sector. Okay, for the RE programs in Malaysia, we can see it use solar photovoltaic, and next is go to the biogas, biomass, and small hydro. Then it will go to the self-consumption at Sadco, and then it will go to the net energy metering, and who can apply for it is for domestic, commercial, agriculture, and industry. For the mode of the purchase, we can use cash, bank loan, or credit card, or solar power purchase agreement, and for solar leasing. Then the method of the payment is direct to solar investor or by TNB. Then the corporate green power program is by information guide for corporate green power program for solar PV plant. And here we can see at the figure 1 the power flow and financial transactions. Next, lastly, for the RE technologies supporting the energy transitions, we use rooftop solar, then ground mounted solar, and Next, floating solar. And lastly, we use battery storage. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sir Adham. Um, as we moving on for the next chapter, Mr. Koyim, maybe you can explain a little bit, such as new technology that emerging from energy transition. Maybe you can describe what type of technology that help our energy to transition.
Okay, thank you to Mr. Syazwan. My name is Muhammad Qayyim bin Muhammad Izzuddin. So I will continue to explain about our topic. So from the energy transition produce a new technology which is green hydrogen and its derivative, and also carbon capture and sequestration, and EV charging, and lastly is biomass. So battery storage system has a wide application and is a key component in the energy transition, which is battery for grid scale storage, and battery swapping for two-wheelers, and also battery supply for car, solar, turbine, and also factory, and energy storage system for home application to complement rooftop solar. So green hydrogen can be the option in the energy transition. So from the renewable energy source, it's flow to getting electricity to the electrolyzer, and next to H2 electrolyzer, and distribution and storage of hydrogen, and lastly is net zero emissions. And H2O divided into three, which is fuel for transport and power, heat for industry and buildings, and lastly feedstock for chemicals and products. So CCUS is stand for carbon capture, utilization, and storage. Uh, CCUS are set of real-world technologies and methods for preventing carbon dioxide from entering the atmosphere by either safely injected deep underground in geological formations such as sandstone reservoirs, or converting it into useful products. So from the carbon capture, CO2 capture at power plant or manufacturing facility before reaching the smokestack. And next is storage, injected into deep underground geologic formations such as sandstone reservoirs located under impermeable rock. And lastly is utilization, injected underground to enhance recovery of oil in a depleted reservoir (EOR). And lastly is useful products, converted into usable products through chemical and manufacturing. For example, is concrete, plastic, and alcohol. So that's all from me. So I will give to Mr. Syazwan back. Thank you.
So, firstly, thank you so much to all our panel to give each time for discuss our topic today. So, as time has been running out, so I will conclude our topic. So, a globalization has a several dimensions that are relevant to the discussion of environmental change and sustainability. In addition to the widely used economic meaning of the term, political, social, or cultural and ecological dimension of globalization are drawn out. So again, I hope we will get better to keep our environment safe. So thank you very much to Sir Amir, Sir Adham, and Sir Koyim. and we will meet again for the next time to discuss our next topic. Thank you very much.